Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. So I'm sure some of you do remember when I posted this post of these great finds that I found at a tag sale, all for $3. Well, today I'll be working with the hardwood canvas. The canvas is very large and it stands by 50 by 30 and it's very strong and sturdy. If you would like to see how I create my very own computer desk, just continue watching. So to start off, I made my way to Home Depot and I purchased 4 Victorian style table legs at $1.89 each. Each leg stands at 31 inches tall. Next, I'll be taking a 1.5 inch nail and I'll be nailing 2 nails on each side of the legs. After I nail all 4 legs, I'll be applying Gorilla wood glue on each leg, and then I'll take some painter's tape and wrap each leg to let dry overnight. I also drilled 2-inch screws on each leg from the top part of the canvas, and I also added 2 more pieces of wood to make the legs more sturdier. I purchased these storage boxes with drawers from Walmart and they did have some defects, so the manager decided to give them to me each for $3. Next, I'll be using hot glue to repair any defects that the storage boxes may have. Next, I'll take my strongest adhesive and I'll apply it on all 3 storage boxes. Then I'll be placing them on top of the canvas in a pyramid shape, leaving a 6-inch gap in the center. Here I'm just adding weight inside the storage box, and I'll be repeating the same steps on the next 2 storage boxes, and I'll let dry for 2 hours. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Here I'll be adding a drawer to my last storage box just to make sure that I have it centered, and I'll also be using a chalk pen just to mark where I'll be applying the glue. Here I'm just going back with some hot glue and applying in any areas that I could apply in for a stronger hold. Next, I'll be removing the handles from all 6 drawers using a little bit of force, and I'll be putting the handles aside. Next, I'll take all 6 drawers to a well-ventilated area and I will spray paint each drawer with white spray paint. I also spray painted all the handles with metallic silver spray paint. Next, I'll be using this project cardboard that I already had on hand, and I'll be taking the board and I'll place it on the back side of the desk, and I'll be tracing and cutting it out. I'll be cutting 4 pieces of the cardboard and gluing 2 together, and I'll repeat the same steps on both sides. Next, I'll be using 4 small painter sticks that I got from Home Depot for free, and I already had some on hand already painted. Next, I will take 1 painter stick and I will hot glue it to each side of the cardboard. I went back in with the hot glue gun just to add some more glue just for a better hold. Next, I'll be using this white stain paint that I purchased from Home Depot, and I'll be painting the entire desk in white, including the legs. Next, I'll bring back the handles that I spray painted, and I'll be gluing all the handles back to their original drawers using a generous amount of hot glue. I could have purchased other handles or made my own, but I wanted to keep that computer desk appearance. Next, I'll be using this marble gray and white self-adhesive paper that I purchased from Walmart, and I'll be applying it on the top part of the computer desk. I also will be smoothing it out using it in a spatula to get rid of any wrinkles or air bubbles that might be left behind. I'll be repeating the same steps on both sides where I added the cardboard cutouts. I will also use sheets of vinyl paper, and I'll be using them to cover the bottom part and top part of each leg. Next, I'll be using 2 8x10 square mirrors for each side of the storage box, and then I'll be using 1 9x11 for the center storage box. Once you are satisfied with the placement of all 3 mirrors, just simply go back with your strongest adhesive and hot glue. Next, I'll be using this foil mirror reflected tape that you may find at Home Depot or Walmart, and I'll be covering the dividing parts where the drawers go. Remember, originally these dividers in the front were metallic gold, but I wanted to keep the same theme going, so I added the metallic silver. Once I put all the drawers back in their place, I use these mini self-adhesive mirror Mosaic stickers, and I place one little strip in the center of each handle of the drawers. Next, I'll be cutting single strips of the Mosaic stickers, and I'll be applying them on the edges and the inner edges of both sides of the cardboard cutouts. I also added 3 rows of Mosaic stickers on each side of the drawers, keeping them in a straight line going down. I also added 3 rows of Mosaic stickers on the front part border of the desk. I purchased 2 office desk organizers in gray from Dollar Tree, and I'll be placing them underneath the center of the storage box. This will create more space in the front to use. I really do love the way this computer desk turned out, and I made it according to my style, but you may also make it according to yours. Remember, be different and unique. Here I added large gems that I purchased from Walmart on each drawer. But what do you think? Leave a comment below. Would you rather have this computer desk in just plain white, or with the Mosaic stickers, or with the large gems, or either way? Myself, I would love it either way. I also ordered from Amazon a gray office adjustable in height office chair. They'll be arriving soon. I made the height of this computer desk according to my height, so I'll be able to use it either with an office chair or just simply standing up. If you have back issues like I do, this will be the perfect computer desk for yourself because you could use it either way. I created this computer desk to be used in a universal way. This can also be used as a makeup station or in an entryway. The possibilities are endless. I really hope you enjoy watching this DIY as much as I enjoy creating it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends. Leave a comment if you wish, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. See you next time.